Hello, my name is Teacher Giselle or Teacher Selena Rose from 5-1 Talk. So, many teachers have been asking me a lot of questions about the 5-1 Talk application process. So, let me answer them through this short video. So, let us now dive into the 5-1 Talk recruitment process. So, let's go. Okay, so for the first step of your application, you need to sign up through this link. So, ipopost ko na lang tong link sa comment section or sa description so that you can just click it. Okay, and upon clicking it, you will be redirected sa website na ito. So here, you need to click the sign up button. So you need to input your name. So first name first and then surname. So no need for your middle name or middle initial. Next is your active email address. So make sure na this is the one that you will be putting here is really active kasi dyan isisend yung mga details. And then next is your mobile number. Also make sure that it's active. Next is password. So for password, you are going to create your own. So whatever password you like, just make sure na matandaan nyo yung password na ilalagay nyo. And then after that, you need to click the get launch in 3 days. So after that, you'll be seeing this. Okay, so thank you for signing up. And dito pa pala sa taas na part, may nakalagay dyan na date kung hanggang kailan nyo lang pwedeng i-fill out itong form. So next is yung date of birth. Okay, so you'll just need to input that, your gender, and your highest educational attainment. So i-click nyo lang siya. Then after that, for number 4, do you have a copy right now of your 4-year bachelor's degree diploma? TOR or COG. So again, just click it and then click next. And after nun, you're almost there. Okay, so you need to input again your name, your email, your location. Do you have any teaching experience? Just click yes, and no if you don't have. And then do you have a BPO experience? Yes or none. Do you have your own laptop or desktop computer? So I assume na yes yung sagot niya dito kasi if you're applying for ESL teacher, so kailangan natin ng sariling laptop or desktop. Kay 5-1 Talk, hindi sila nag-a-allow ng phone or tablet. Okay, next, after that, number 7, please select your preferred time to teach. So, from Monday to Friday, anong available time mo dyan? So, you can choose more than one. Kung available kayo sa lahat ng oras na to, go. So, you can tick it off. And then, Saturday, Sunday, same, pipili kayo ng available schedule nyo. Then, after that, may number 8 pa dyan. Hindi ko lang na-screenshot. But yung number 8 is yung WhatsApp number. So, if you don't have a WhatsApp number, so you just ignore it. So, pwede siya. Optional siya. So, hindi siya kailangan lagyan. And then, click the submit button. And then, after clicking the submit button, okay, so lalabas na itong pending. So, dear blah, blah, blah,
Ano
thank
ba
you for
yun?
completing the application form. Please wait for the result of the pre-screening process within 12 hours. So, after nyan, maghintay na lang kayo sa email nyo kung may naglabas na or may nag-send na ng schedule nyo for the next step. And for the next step, we have the interview and the technical check. So, this is just for an hour. So, mabilis lang siya. Yung technical check nyo, may isi-send sa inyong file, then i-open nyo lang. Then, siya na yung mag-check or mag-device test. Tapos, i-screenshot nyo lang yung result nung device check. And then, yung interview, ganun din. Mabilis din lang naman to. So, basic questions like, of course, tell me about yourself, ganyan. Tapos, if you have teaching experience, and kung may itatanong sa inyo situational questions and ano gagawin nyo as a teacher. So, meron din ditong pronunciation test. So, make sure na medyo clear yung pronunciation or clear talaga yung pronunciation nyo para mabilis kayo or makapag-proceed kayo sa step or sa next step. And after that, so yung iba mabilis lang nila malaman yung result. Yung iba, after their interview and the technical check or device test, may result na. Pero yung iba, umaabot na days. So, depende. Abangan nyo na lang sila yung result sa email na nilagay nyo. Then after that is your PSO or the pre-service orientation. So this is just for 1 hour, but sometimes a little more, depende kung ano yung naging flow nung orientation nyo. So for this PSO, meron din akong sariling video. I mean, meron akong separate video for this. So you can just check it out. And then next is the NTT. So after pre-service orientation, i-schedule kayo for NTT. Nung time ko, kinabukasan din agad yung NTT ko or the new teacher training. So, napaka-importante din ito kasi dito na rin yung mock demo. So, after NTT, magma-mock demo na kayo. So, sa loob ng 4 hours, may discussion and then after that, si demo. Pero yung iba, may sa batch ko, merong nag-demo kinabukasan na. So, depende sa schedule. So, kung kaya niyo na rin mag-demo within the day, di much better. Pero kung medyo kailangan pa ng um, paghahanda, so kinabukasan. So, meron din akong separate video for NTT. So, you can just check it out. Pero heads up lang for NTT, dapat may mga props kayo. Tapos, may mga printouts na kayo. By the way, sa PSO, may ibibigay sa inyong 5-1 Talk printable materials. So, dapat pag mag-attend kayo ng NTT, nakapag-print na kayo nun. So, ano lang yun, yung binigay nila ay kailangan naka-print na kayo kay Timmy, kay Cindy, ano pa, meron silang, si teacher, kailangan na i-print na, ano pa, and yung, aside from school, aside from the picture of a school, dapat may isa pa, it's either hospital or even fire station, or anything na gusto yung i-print. Basta dapat school and yun, isa pang ganito. Akin ang ginamit ko yung fire station. Kasi gagamitin ko sa demo. And then, kailangan nyo din ng starter sentence like this. She is kasi if you fill out yan ni student, I mean, i-complete niya yung sentence. She is a teacher. Okay, so kailangan nyo nito for your entity. And this one also. This is a school. Okay, so yan, heads up lang. Pero again, meron akong separate video for this for the in-depth discussion. And then after that, the Mac demo. So the CE demo or the Chinese evaluator na kayo magde-demo. So that I think 15 minutes lang 'yon. Yung teaching demo is 15 minutes lang. Depende pa din yan sa inyong Chinese evaluator kung nagustuhan niya na yung or kung nakikita niya na okay ka, so pwedeng mabilis na lang. Mag-skip na lang siya. For example, nung time ko sabi, okay, it's okay teacher, skip the song. Oh, so ganon. Bahala na si CE evaluator. So, i-upload ko din yung teaching demo ko. Actually, yung teaching demo ko, hindi ako ganun ka-confident. Kaya, hindi ako masyadong satisfied. But anyways, nakapasa. Pero, you can do better. So, i-upload ko siya para makita nyo, marinig nyo kung anong sinabi ni CE. Okay? Kung ano yung pwede nyong i-improve pa doon sa aking demo. So, para ready na rin kayo kapag nag-demo na kayo. So, alam niyo na, yung gagawin nyo, hindi na kayo kakabahan. So, ako na yung kinabahan para sa inyo. Okay? So, next is yung onboarding. So, ito naman, I remember during my teaching demo or Mac demo, it was 3 p.m. in the afternoon, and then my onboarding is at 6 p.m. The same day na yon. So 3 p.m. yung demo and then at 6 p.m. yung onboarding. So onboarding is 2 hours. That's again sometimes a little more. So, well, madali lang naman din siya. Hindi naman siya yung sobrang hirap. Sa onboarding, may assessment. So, may ipapakita sa inyong videos. And then after every video, may assessment. So, but don't worry, chill lang siya. Hindi siya yung sobrang mai-stress ka na kind of exam, hindi naman. So, madali lang siya and then napakabait din ng mga trainers natin.